Hi everyone, this is just a quick run through of a Christmas kit. Now, I know I'm early, but it was when our young lady said, "Ooh, it's only 14 weeks till Christmas," and it's like, oh, right. So I thought, okay, let's put together, I've never done a Christmas kit, I'm not very good with themed ones, well, not much practice on them. So there are 18 pages in total. So if I run through them, let's get rid of that. And then, so there are 6 main pages designed to be folded in half. They measure 11 by 8, and obviously they're all Christmas themed. What I've done is for the backgrounds, I've rediscovered the delights of watercolours. I was messing around in my journal the other week with watercolours. So the backgrounds are watercolour paintings, washes if you like, that I've scanned and then used for the actual main sheets. So we have the ivy, there's music paper and basically Christmas images on them. So that's one. And then that one is number 2. There are some faint outlines of, pick it up, there we go, Christmas trees on the background. And then we have number 3. And so I'm having a look because I've printed the background on some of them. This one's number 4. And then we have number 5. And I can detach it, number 6. I have to admit, I think that one's probably my favourite. Right, and then we have watermark pages. They're very faint. I did have somebody complain once that it was right in the middle of the page and she couldn't work out what to do with it. So I use them to go in the middle of my signature and then stitch down the centre. But they are so faint that you can actually write over them. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to adjust the lighting. I'm having to do it very early when everybody else is in bed. Number 2, St. Nicholas. Number 3, I like this one. This one is what Christmas, I think, gets too commercialised, but that's such a soft and sweet image. I thought, yeah, why not? And number 4, Santa in pink. And then there are a sheet of, they're slightly bigger, some slightly smaller than ATT size. I use them as pockets or tuck spots, or they can go at the side of the page, or they can just be clipped on. I'm a big fan of clipping them on there, because I always seem to get the pockets in the wrong place for people. Then we have a sheet of large tags, 2 envelopes, and then note cards. Now I have done these so they can actually be folded in half and clipped on the edge of a page, or used as a tag, or trimmed down. They would have to be trimmed down slightly to fit in the envelopes. So there we go. Oh, I've forgotten the outside. So we have 2 plain as backing pages. So the one with the watercolour image with the trees at the bottom, and then the sky, which I thought was appropriate for Father Christmas, and then the same images but with lines, so you can choose what you want. They are listed in both the Etsy shop and on my website. They are cheaper on the website because I don't have to factor in the commission that Etsy have just upped. So there you go. 18 sheets of my version of a Christmas digi kit. Christmas in watercolour. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I will speak to you all later. Take care. Bye.